morning, YouTube. We're gonna do the intake temp challenge. As you can see, it's 39 outside and I'm reading around 77. It does fluctuate quite a bit as I'm driving. I do have a way, I have considered like an ice box that'll instantly cool it down, or cools it down pretty quick compared to normal. It basically turns on the pump. But as you can see, I'm around 78 degrees, and once I get up to speed here in a minute, it'll cool down pretty quick. So I have the LMI cold air intake that helps out a lot. Obviously this is a Hellcat, so in the very front of my dash, where there's lights, there's a section taken out, and due to that, it helps cool it down. As you can see, when I just sit here, it's gonna warm up. And also, when I do runs on the drag strip or out in Mexico, it definitely is gonna heat up very, very quickly. And then in between runs, I can use my chiller, or my basically my Z Automotive taser, and help cool it down, which I will do a different video of. And here we are, we're starting to move again, and you're gonna see it instantly cool down. It's 77, so it got up to 80 something I didn't see. And we'll give it a little pull here and watch how fast it cools down. But it's still important in between runs to help cool it down, because you don't want to start off too hot. Do a little pull. And you can see it got down to 73, and then as I slow back down, it's going to start warming up. Do another pull here. Down to 71. Obviously, if I held it, it would stay nice and cold. That's pretty much all this video is. It's been a very busy week at work. I'm hoping to have more videos this weekend, and definitely a lot coming next weekend. A lot of new mods are coming. Can't wait to show you once I get them installed. Maybe I'll do some videos of me installing them or getting them installed, vice versa. And some reviews on some of the stuff that I got for the car. Again, like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. I hope that helps out. And have a great day. Again, this is Ethanol Hound. Keep subscribing to my channel. Once we hit 100 subscribers, we're gonna do some crazy burnouts. I can't wait. I'll talk to you all later. Bye. I think it's gonna be time for a quick pull. Let's see what happens. Let's try in second gear. That was fun.